To begin the process of submitting an electronic plan for site review, navigate to fairfaxcounty.gov/plan to build. That's plan the number 2 build. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select the link for ePlans. You will notice that the page contains 2 tabs, one for building ePlans and one for site ePlans. Select the Site ePlans tab. Then select the link for ePlans in Fairfax County Getting Started. This will take you to an information page that explains the steps in the process for setting up a Project Docs account. Click the link under Step 1. On this page, you will provide some basic information that will allow us to invite you to submit an ePlan. Simply fill out the form as requested to include your first name, last name, phone number, and email address. Please verify the accuracy of the email address provided, as this is our primary means of communication for ePlans. Next, you will select the project type from the drop-down menu. In this example, we're going to use an SP, then a description of the project. Include enough information in the description of the project to allow staff to properly identify your particular plan and project. Please note also that if you have selected one of the revision types for submission, either a minor site plan revision or a site plan revision, the description of request should include the original site plan number to which the revision applies. Then select Next. Confirm the information is accurate by selecting Yes, and click Finish. This will bring you to a page with a temporary request number. This number temporarily identifies your project until staff has an opportunity to log your request into the system of record. Once they have done so, you will be assigned a plan number appropriate to your submission type, and you will receive a formal email invitation inviting you to the next step for submitting an ePlan. Should you have any questions, you can contact the Site Application Center at 703-222-0801. If this is the first time you have used the Project Docs system for submission of ePlans, the email invitation you receive will contain a temporary password as well as a link to project permit access. Simply click the link and use the temporary password to create your Project Docs account. If you already have an account, you will simply be sent an email invitation to include a link to Project Docs with the identifying number associated with your project. Click the Login to Project Docs link. The link in the email will bring you to the ePlans login screen. From here, you will simply either log into your existing account or create a new account following the instructions provided.